Originally built in the 1930s, this exquisite 7-bedroom home, listed for $9.15 million, has been meticulously renovated and extended. A smart home with Control 4 automation, it displays incredible attention to detail and makes use of only the finest materials. One of the 2 kitchens has been completely redone, and both are equipped with modern appliances by Miele and Sub-Zero. Imported marble floors, carved mahogany doors, Chihuly chandeliers, and imported onyx are recurring visual elements. The new master wing enjoys spectacular views, a private veranda, and a spa-like bath with a Kohler rain bath and a steam shower. The lower level is an ideal space for entertaining, thanks to a state-of-the-art movie theater, a bar, and a wine cellar. Imported stone and glass tiles surround the heated indoor pool, accompanied by a cabana, a living room, and a kitchen. 3 terraces and several stunning patios overlook a beautifully landscaped yard with flower beds. A unique 5-tiered seawall separates you from the water and panoramic views of the city and Lake Erie. Don't miss your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to tour this masterpiece. Contact Kim Crane for more information.